Hey y'all, let's make some DIY with body butter. So you need coconut oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, mango butter, and shea butter. First things first, let's section off our shea butter and our mango butter. I'm not measuring, this is my first attempt and I'm just getting familiar with the process. Next, I'm melting my butters using the double boiler method. Boiling water, placing my bowl directly on top and adding my butters to it. Once the butter starts to melt, we can add in our other ingredients. I'm just adding a scoop of coconut oil. Again, I'm not measuring. A little drizzle of sweet almond oil and a couple squirts of jojoba. The next step is to remove the mixture from the heat, allow it to cool down, and refrigerate until it's solidified. After taking this out of the fridge, I'm mixing with a hand mixer to get the whipped texture that I want. At this point, you can add a fragrance oil of your desired scent. I decided to leave mine unscented. Yes, I'm using the old Vaseline jar that I cleaned out. Mind your business. After you make this, take a shower, use your favorite body scrub, and apply this for soft, moisturized, and glowing skin.